By the way, do you like the shirt and glasses? Leave a comment. Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Recently I had posted a video on the top 20 beginner jump rope tricks that everyone can do. Many of you liked the video. I'm very happy for the same. In that video, two of our friends, Vivek and Samurai, had left comments asking for breakdown of two specific jump rope tricks which we had covered in that video. I'm very happy that our friends asked for a breakdown of these two specific beginner jump rope tricks. The reason being, these are two of my favorite jump rope moves. Vivek bro asked for a breakdown of the double side swing, where we do side swings, two side swings on each side. And our friend Samurai bro asked for a breakdown of the swing double under move, where we do a swing, side swing, followed by a double under. That is what we will do in today's video. We'll first start with the move that Samurai has asked for a breakdown, the swing, double under. So the move looks like this. So what we are doing is, we are going for a swing, double under. Let us break it down. Before we break down the move, we should know one thing. Which of our hands is the dominant hand? In my case, my right hand is the dominant hand. So you have to know which side, which hand is dominant. So what we'll do is, we will start the side swings on the dominant side. My dominant side is right. So we start with the right, then go to the left. Start with the dominant side, then to the other side. That is point number one. And point number two is, small tip which helps you in this move is to keep your dominant wrist on top of the other wrist. Right, left, right, left. Right wrist is on top throughout, on the right and left. Keeping it on the top helps in our next move, which is to open for a double under. Right? The next key requirement for this move, swing double under, is double under. If you know double unders, very good. There is a slight change that you need to bring in, or a slight improvement that we need to do. When we do double unders, usually what do? We start with basic bounce, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go into a double under. I like to compare it with an aeroplane, which goes on a runway, picks up speed, and then takes off. So there's a runway with the basic bounce, and then the takeoff with the double unders. This is how most of us do double unders. We start with basic bounce, and then we go into a double under like this, right? Right? That's how most of us do double unders. But for this move, knowing only to go into double unders after a runway may not be very helpful. The aeroplane mode of double unders is good, but it won't be very helpful in this move that we are trying to unlock, swing double under. What we need to do, instead of an aeroplane mode, we need to get into a rocket mode of double unders. What do I mean by rocket mode? How does a rocket take off? It is on a standstill and it just takes off vertically with a lot of downward thrust. So similarly, in double unders, instead of an aeroplane takeoff of basic bounce, and double unders, we need to practice to go on a double under from a standstill. Some people call it double under off the deck also. I like to call it double under rocket mode. So how will it look? We are at a standstill and we want to go into a double under without any basic bounce. So 1, 2, 3. Right? That's DU off the deck, or double under rocket mode. Practice it many times. If you are able to string together double unders in the airplane mode of basic jumps and takeoff, you will get this double under rocket mode also very quickly after maybe 5 or 6 attempts. Practice it as much as you want so that you feel comfortable about it. Now, we have spoken about the side swing. What are the things we said? We need to know what is our dominant hand. In my case, it is the right hand. We start with the dominant side, the swing, right, left. We keep our dominant wrist above the other wrist throughout, right? And then we go into a double under. So this rocket mode of double under helps in this move. So if we take these 3 steps together, we will be able to unlock the swing, double under. Let's give it a try. Swing, double under, right? One more time. Swing, double under. Swing, double under. So that's how we do swing, swing, double under. Samurai bro, I hope this breakdown helps you and anybody else who's trying to learn this move. Okay, now let us go to the second move that our friend Vivek has asked for, which is the double side swing. Single side swing looks like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right? There is one swing on the left, one swing on the right. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Coming to double side swing, how does it look? We will have two swings on either side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that is double side swing. How do we go about it? Well, to break it down, I would say you need 3 keys to unlock this move. Key number 1 is wrist position. What do I mean by wrist position? Right on top on the left side, left on top on the right side. I'm repeating. Right wrist on top when it is on the left side, left wrist on top when it is on the right side. So the first point is wrist position. The second key is flip the position of the wrists. For example, right on top, left at the bottom. Now flip it. It is like a semicircle. Both are doing semicircles. Flipping the right from top to bottom, left from bottom to top. Similarly, when we are here, the first move is left on top. Now we flip it. Semicircles. Left goes to the bottom, right comes to the top. And the third key which we need to unlock this move is we have to move from one side to the other. For example, we went to the right, right is on top, and then we flip the positions, left comes to the top, and what is left we have to move to this side. So first is wrist position, right on top on the left side, left on top on the right side. The second is flip, right hand flipping, similarly flipping. And the third move is we move to the other side. Have a look at it. This is single. We'll go into doubles. 1, 2, 1, 2. Top, bottom, 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 top, bottom. Let me see if I can do a side view. May not be possible here, but let me come closer to the camera. Hopefully, I think I will be able to do it. Okay, yeah. So you can see it. The camera is on my left side. Look at my right hand movement. Shall we start? Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, move, top, bottom, move, top, bottom, move, top, bottom, move, top, bottom, move. Okay, so I hope you got a better understanding from the side view. The best part about this move, and the reason I love it, is if you add the hops, you will really love it. And every time I do this move, playing some good music in my ears, I feel very light, I feel happy, I feel de-stressed. To prove this point, in the next section, I will do this double side swing, add the hops and add some music, and you will see how magical it looks and feels. You will have to try it to really understand how it feels. Wow, even without the music, when I'm doing it now, I feel good energy, positive vibes when I do this move. One more important thing about this move is, see, this is a quarter-pound rope. It's a weighted rope, significantly heavier than a normal 5 mm PVC rope. But if you go for a heavy jump rope, like say a half-pound rope, a 1 pound rope, or a 2 pound rope, and you do these moves, even side swings, normal side swings, or this double side swing, that in itself is a fantastic cardio. And if you add the hops with a heavy rope, you'll notice your heart rate racing. That in itself will be a fantastic workout. Another advantage is there are days when you won't feel like working out or you don't feel like jumping. You can use the side swings to do a light intensity or low intensity workout. It gets your heart rate racing. You will break a sweat, play some good music, hop along if you want, or you can do it stand still also. Overall, it is a fantastic movement. So Vivek bro, Samurai bro, and all the other viewers who are watching this video, I hope you found this video useful. Try it and do let me know if you are able to unlock this move. Feel free to leave your question, comments, feedback. Everything is welcome. It's always a pleasure to read and reply to you. That's it for today's video. Till I see you in the next video. Enjoy your jump, stay safe, take care, and bye bye. By the way, do you like the shirt and glasses? Leave a comment.